My name is Francis Okumagba, the president and founder of FMG Platform. I welcome you to this great organization. Now that you have made up your mind to be part of us, I'd like to let you know that this is not an employment. This is a call for entrepreneurs who want to become wealth consultants, helping people who are jobless, people who are not making enough money who are employed, people who have money but don't know what to do with the monies, and people who are looking at how they can solve their housing problem. Your engagement here does not relate to how engagement is with the employed people. We have 10 ways of having allowances that you actually earn from being in this organization. But I'd like to tell you what you need to do to position yourself to be successful here. We expect everybody that works in this organization to make an average of 1 million naira a month. The 1 million naira is possible only when you have a group of mentees that you are mentoring. It is expected that you are supposed to attract a lot of traffic to the organization. Attracting the traffic is very easy because you are going to be inviting people and helping people that are jobless to come by putting adverts in social media, putting notices in churches, letting them know that you actually are engaging and employing people. If you put the notices out, your phones will not stop ringing. Get 2 or 3 places where you can actually get engagement for us to do a presentation to expose people to how they can start businesses without 1 naira in their pocket, and how they can actually own their own houses, buying houses with their mouth, with their rent, and at 20% to 50% of the real value. If you put these notices out in churches, cooperative, and organizations, you will have engagement where you'll be invited to come and do presentations. When you do that, coupled with the advertisement you put in the social media and your network of friends, family members, and people that you went to school with, you'll be able to attract almost 200 people into your own platform. And as these 200 people come, listening and hearing the opportunities of the FMG offers, you will have a zone where 20% of those 200 people will join the platform immediately. 60% will be indifferent, and another 20% will say, oh, this is another multi-level marketing company. Ignore the ones that tell you about multi-level marketing company. Get the remaining 60% that are indifferent. What makes them indifferent is not understanding the presentations that they've heard. Ask them questions that they consider their challenges, why they have not joined the platform. They probably will tell you, oh, it looks like a multi-level marketing company. Explain to them if mentorship has any relationship with multi-level marketing. Also explain to them that if joining the platform is showing them how they can start their own business, how is it multi-level marketing? And if getting access to joining the platform will also show them how they can double their business, how will that affect them in a multi-level marketing company? When you explain this to them, 10% of them who were pending will join the platform under you. Go back to the same team and ask them why they have not joined the platform. They probably will tell you, oh, I don't have enough money, the 20,000 is too much and all that. Tell them you will get them the opportunity by getting approval for them to pay 10,000 naira, because you know they will make money in the organization. Let them get the other 10,000 collected when they start making money. 10% of those people will join the platform knowing that. When you go back to this team, you will see some people that will tell you they don't have a 10,000 naira. Tell them to pay 5,000 naira because you believe that by next month they'll be able to make up the other 5,000 naira. So they can start making money immediately with the FMG opportunity. Another 10% will join the platform from your pending list. The remaining 30% that you have on the pending list of the 60%, go back to them and determine to help them join the platform. Because we show people how to start business with which one not to. Tell them you make the payment for them if they give you referrals to organizations, churches, or cooperatives that we can do this presentation. You have a team of people that you do presentations to that are not in your warm market. The money you make from this presentation, you take 10,000 out of it to pay for that individual. You will have helped that individual to join the platform. That individual will have given you another pool of 200 people that you give the presentation to, that will enter the funnel that you have created for yourself again, and the circle goes around. If you do this in 3 months, it's expected that you should have 100 people join the platform under you. When you have 100 people join the platform under you in this platform, you are set to make ₦1 million a month. Because the 100 people, if only 5% of them are introducing businesses to the organization, and you make 10% of whatever they make, then you will be able to make ₦1 million a month. The reason why we tell people who work in this organization to position themselves and get mentees under them is because we want everybody that works in FMD platform to have a minimum take home a month of ₦1 million. When you have attained this position, then you can confidently reduce your number of outlay of going to do through net into the internet and access people who are in the churches. You go with your folder and go to organizations to meet strategic people like bank managers, politicians, senior civil servants, pastors. Because these people, if you are able to engage any one of them as your mentees, they probably have the position to make ₦1 million for you every month. And when you are in this position, you can actually determine what you earn between ₦1 million and ₦10 million every month. Succeeding in this organization is a function of how you present yourself. You must grow properly. You must package yourself well. Make sure you wear colors that are our corporate colors. Our corporate colors are dark colors: black, navy blue, and gray color with white. If you wear these clothes, it will make you more presentable and more acceptable to the people you are talking to. Our business is not a marketing business. You don't need to beg anybody to get business. Because anybody you are going to be talking to out there, you are helping. If you meet people that are jobless and you tell them you are actually employing, you are helping them get jobs. If you meet people that are not earning enough salary, you are opening their eyes to how they can make money on the side, part-time. If you meet people who have money but don't know what to do with the money, you are helping them open their eyes to how their monies can work for them. So when you go out to seek and help people, you don't go with the intention of marketing, because this company is not a multi-level marketing company. We are not a bank where we beg people to open accounts. Our organization helps people open their eyes to solve their money-making opportunities and how they can be successful and how they can be financially independent. We also help churches and help cooperatives. With the churches, if you get a pastor, you can actually get the pastor to help his members open their eyes to how they can start businesses without ₦1 in their pocket. When you get that, it's an opportunity to do a presentation to a mass number of people. We also go into organizations and talk to the human resources people to show the opportunities that are available to help those people who are working in those organizations to solve their housing problem. For any of those people that you take into the cooperative to solve their housing problem, you will be able to give a presentation to the cooperatives on how their members can buy houses with their rents without a dime put down as equity contribution. You'll be showing them how they can buy houses worth ₦12 million for as low as ₦3 million. And at the end of the day, if they give us the opportunity to do that presentation, you'll be talking to a number of people that need to see this opportunity. Getting a cooperative or a pastor to join this platform is a bumper harvest for those who work in this organization. Ensure that you get 3 or 5 pastors, imams, 3 or 5 politicians, 3 or 5 branch managers, and 3 or 5 civil servants that are very senior. You will have positioned yourself to become a very successful wealth consultant that is working in an organization that earns money from people you mentor and people you help to open their eyes to attaining financial independence. I wish you very good luck, and I look forward to seeing you at the top of your career in this organization, because you have what it takes to succeed. Come, I will mentor you and hold your hands and show you how you can attain this position in 3 months, being one of the members of this platform and fully engage in this organization as a full-time consultant.